If life feels more expensive than it used to, that's not just inflation. Something else changed, and quietly. Over the last few years, we started accepting certain expensive behaviors as a normal adult life. And the problem? They don't feel like bad decisions. In this video, we're breaking down 7 everyday habits that look harmless, but slowly drain your money without you noticing. 1. Convenience addiction. We've gone from enjoying convenience to depending on it. Food delivery, ride apps, instant services, everything is one click away. And yeah, it saves time, but it also trains your brain to avoid even small effort. Cooking feels tiring. Walking feels unnecessary. Waiting feels frustrating. So now you're not paying for luxury anymore. You're paying just to function. And that's where money starts leaking daily. 2. Turning weekends into events. For a lot of people, weekends are no longer rest days. They're performance days. After a stressful week, there's this pressure to make it worth it. So one simple plan turns into a full chain. Food, drinks, late nights, spending. It feels deserved. And sometimes it is. But when every weekend needs money to feel meaningful, it stops being a reward and becomes a habit. And habits repeat every single week. 3. Paid social life. Think about it. When was the last time you met someone without spending money? These days, meeting people usually means cafes, restaurants, or outings. It's not about one expensive dinner. It's about the pattern. Slowly, your friendships and social life get tied to spending. And without realizing it, you start paying just to stay connected. Free options feel boring, even though they were normal before. 4. Lifestyle over practical needs. A lot of people don't buy things for their real life. They buy for how they want to see themselves. This shows up clearly in big purchases, especially things like cars, gadgets, or fashion. You end up choosing better, bigger, or premium, even when your actual needs are simple. But here's the catch. The cost doesn't stop after buying. Maintenance, upgrades, replacements, it keeps going. And suddenly you're paying long-term for something that only made short-term sense. 5. Too many versions of you. Modern life pushes you to be everything at once. Fit, stylish, productive, social, well-informed, creative. The list never ends. Individually, none of these are bad. But each version of you comes with its own cost. Clothes, tools, subscriptions, memberships. And when you try to maintain all of them together, your income gets divided into too many directions. 6. Copying someone else's normal. This one is subtle. You see people around you, or online, and their lifestyle starts feeling normal. Better restaurants, better trips, better everything. And you don't feel like you're showing off. You just feel like you're keeping up. But what you don't see is their financial situation. You copy the lifestyle, not the income behind it. And that gap, that's where financial pressure starts building. 7. Paying instead of learning. There's a growing habit of paying others to handle basic things. Food, errands, small tasks, things that you could do yourself. At first it feels efficient, but over time, it becomes dependency. You stop learning how things work. You stop understanding their real value. And slowly, your life turns into a system where every small problem has a paid solution. That's convenient, but expensive. None of these habits look dangerous on their own. That's exactly why they work. They blend into your daily life, quietly increasing your expenses without setting off any alarms. The goal isn't to remove all comfort or fun, it's to become aware of what you've started calling normal. Because sometimes the biggest financial problem isn't what you can't afford, it's what you've stopped questioning.